Hello friends, welcome to bspsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and this is my another video in Python machine learning, and the topic for today video is box plotting using Python. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how to plot a box plot chart in Python using Seaborn library. To plot a box chart we'll be using the finance dataset, which would be extracting from MongoDB. To know more about how to extract data from MongoDB into Python, you can go through my previous video where I have already explained, I have demonstrated how to extract the data from MongoDB into Python. So let's begin. Uh, I create a blank Python file, and here the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of libraries. So PyMongo, import PyMongo from PyMongo, import Mongo client, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, import pandas as pd, and import cborn library as sns. So let me save this file and I'll call it as boxplot1, and let's test. So all the packages executed successfully. Now my next thing is I would be going to pull data from client is equal to. So that's the code to extract data from MongoDB into Python. And I'm targeting only columns like country, revenue, and region. So I write data1 is equal to data, and I would be targeting only three columns, and the columns are country, comma, revenue, comma, region. And I'll write print data 1. So when I test it, oh, it's throwing an error message that data from object is not callable because this should be in double brackets, square brackets. And you see it displays value only from three columns: country, revenue, and region. And I would like to plot this using a box plot chart. So very first thing, I just make it as a comment and I create x is equal to fig dot add underscore subplot. That's for so that we can add multiple uh, plottings into it. So ax is equal to should be plt dot figure. Plt is equal to fig is equal to plt dot figure. Ax is equal to fig dot add underscore subplot. Ax is equal to, now we are going to plot the revenue data country wise. So I'll write Ax is equal to sns dot box plot. X is equal to data1, and see it should be country wise data on x plot x axis, and on y is equal to data1 revenue. And let's test this much first, where I plt dot show. So let's save it and test it. So let's test it now, and as you can see, as soon as I extract it, as soon as I execute it, it is showing the revenue country wise: Canada, USA, UK, Germany, country Germany, India, China, Singapore, and that's the label. So labels on x axis and label on y axis will be added automatically because we are using Seaborn library. Now, if I would like to further wanted to know, I would like to further display this by region. So I write comma HUE is equal to data 1 and G. So you can see it's further get drilled down and divided into three regions: North America, Europe, and APAC. And in APAC there are three regions. In Europe there are two regions, and in North America there are two regions. Basically, see, box plot is a whisker chart which would be showing the maximum, minimum, and median and average values. So this would be the average revenue in USA. That's the maximum one, and that's the minimum one. So this box plot chart shows the maximum value, minimum, median, and average value from that particular for that particular country, and this is for the region. I'll take it to one more level. So I write data is equal to data 1. It's already getting the data from data 1, but just for safer side I write data is coming from data 1, and the color by default is using the default colors. You can see it's in default color, so these are default palette. We can change the palette as well, and we can change the different palette. We can use different palette is equal to set 1, and when I execute it for set 1 we'll have different colors. You can see the colors change, and in same manner if I go it for set 4, so for set 4 there will be a different color. So it would be there are only three colors actually because we have only three regions. So set 3, we have set 3. So, and if we do not define any palette, it will go with the default palette. Now my next requirement is I would like to place the values, or I would like to show the values on the whiskers, on the box plot whisker. And for doing that, I write AX is equal to SNS dot swarm plot, and this will remain same. So I'll copy till revenue swarm plot, comma, data is equal to data 1, comma, color is equal to 0.25. I define colors. Let's test it. And you can see when I execute it, so these are the values on individual countries. In individual country, these are the values. So the maximum value is this one, minimum values is this one, the average values. So like this, we can display the values in the form of figures. And because here I have used the color, so because here I have used color is equal to 0.25, so it's all of them they're marked in black color. If I get rid of this, I remove this color and simple execute it, then it will appear in different colors. It automatically appears in different colors. This one, okay? It automatically takes the so individual country, the countries will be displaying different color. The values in dots will appear in different color. So that's why I'll go with color, and I set color is equal to 0.25, so that it will mark in black color and we will be able to see that. So like this, we can create a box plotting in Python using Seaborn package lab. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can post your comment in comment box. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Python. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.